guys, waiting for lychee. With that. This is the 80 pesos only, but this is a frozen fruit. So, ganito itsura niya pag frozen siya. Half kilo, 80 pesos. Kain tayo. Kain tayo guys. Pero it's frozen pa, so let's try kung matamis ito. Hirap. Ang hirap kasi frozen pa siya. Ayan. That's it. Yummy. Thanks for watching.